In this guide, you'll learn how to make a simple transfer and to generate a transaction that includes multiple transfers. From the popular Business Access main menu, click the Money Movement menu entry. Click the Account Transfer tile. The individual transfer page within Funds Transfer allows you to make a single transfer. Click the drop-down list From Account. The list shows the accounts to which you have access and the current balance of each. Verify that the account has the sufficient funds to complete the transfer. Select an entry from the list. As an example, click BSmart XX4988. Click the drop-down list To Account. Select an entry from the list. As an example, click FlexiCuenta de Negocios XX9776. Input the desired information into the Amount field. As an example, enter 10.00. Click the drop-down list Frequency. You can set your transfers to be made on a recurring basis. The frequency field allows to indicate how often you want to transfer funds. In this example, we'll perform a single transfer. Click the One-Time Transfer List item. Choose the effective date for the transfer. Click the Transfer Date icon. The effective date can be set to today or a future date. Click the desired date. Optionally, you can record a comment or description of the transaction. Input the desired information into the Memo field. Verify all the entered data and click the Transfer Funds button. Popular Business Access shows a confirmation message when you complete the transfer. In this window, you can click the Close button if you want to go back to the previous page, or click the Manage Transfer button to access the Activity Center, where you can see past transfers information and monitor the transaction progress. Click the Close button. The Funds Transfer page also allows you to generate transfers to multiple accounts. Click the Multi-Account Transfers tab. Within the Multi-Account Transfers page, you can create and manage templates. They allow you to repeat a transaction in the future, or you can use the template as a starting point for other transactions. Click the Transfer Funds button. If you want to make all transfers on the same date, verify that the Use Same Date for All Transfers box is checked. Otherwise, uncheck this option. Click the Transfer Date icon. Transfers can be effective today or on a future date. Click the desired date. Input the desired information into the Memo field. As an example, enter Transfer. Click the Push Memo to All button to include the message in all transfers. Under the From Account column, select the accounts from which each transfer will be initiated. Expand the From Account list within the first row of transfers. The list shows the accounts to which you have access and shows the current balance of each. Verify that the accounts have the sufficient funds to complete the transfer. Select a suitable value. As an example, click FlexiCuenta de Negocios XX1394 list item. Under the To Account column, choose the accounts that will receive the funds. Click the To Account list in the first row. Select a suitable value. As an example, click the FlexiCuenta de Negocios XX9776 list item. Repeat the previous steps to choose the accounts to use in rows 2 and 3 if desired. Under the Amount column, enter the amount for each transfer. In the first row, input the desired value into the Amount field. As an example, enter 5.00. Similarly, enter the amounts for transfers in rows 2 and 3. If you need to add another transfer, click the Add Another Transfer link. Click the Push Memo to All button again to include the comment into the added transfer. Repeat the previous steps to complete the From Account, To Account, and Amount fields in the new row. Verify that all information is correct and click the Submit button. Popular Business Access displays a confirmation message. The message includes the assigned batch number, the number of transfers processed, and the total amount transferred. Depending on your configuration, the transaction may require approval. In this window, you can click Close to return to the previous page. Notify approvers if approval is needed to complete the transaction. View in Activity Center to access the Action Center from where you can monitor the transaction progress. Click the Close button. You have completed the steps to make a simple transfer and to generate a transaction that includes multiple transfers.